Hey yo guys, it's me Thomas number 1 fan 2003 here, and as you can see I'm here with this Thomas and Friends book. This one's called The Great Train Mystery. This book just recently came out, like maybe a couple months ago or something, I'm not too sure, but it's like one of those classic designed books. And this book has over 50 flaps to lift. And this book costs $9 or something. Yep. It's very, very nice right here because it's like metallic-y. Yep, so here's Sir Topham Hatt, and then there's Thomas. And then like ducks and goats and cats and like a gecko lizard and a bunch of cute animals. There's even a little puppy inside of Thomas's cab. So let's get started with looking at this Thomas book, this new Thomas book. So first of all, let's start with Thomas's flap here. Ah! I'm the number 1 blue engine. That's what that one says. And then Sir Topham Hatt taking off his hat. Yellow flowers, which are very pretty. I like flowers. They're actually really pretty. And then a white kitty cat. Emily looking at an orange bird. Red engine. Red engine. Red engine. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay. And then this other page. Birdie. Brown engine. And Percy. Oh! Fizzling fireboxes. A missing cargo crate is in my cab. No, Percy! Spoil the surprise! You found the first crate. Oh, right there. I am such an idiot. Okay. Okay. And then here's Thomas and Percy at like the docks or something. Wait, no, the Arlesburg Harbor. Okay, so a puppy doggy. The second crate. Anchor. Ew, bucket of worms. Okay, I hate worms. They're kind of gross. A crab. Look. Ooh. Okay, sorry. That's just a little flower. Oh, this top is so cute and tiny. It's just a little pirate flag. Okay. Seagull. Starfish. A regular fishy. I just close up these floppies so they don't get bent. Okay, and then here are some more floppies. Yeah. 3 soaring birds. Spiders. Oh, I hate spiders. But the only spider that I like is a spider from Charlotte's Web. Yeah. Boxes. That troublesome truck's like, bleh. This like reminds me of like that animation from those Thomas books that are from the United Kingdom. Oh! One really useful engine. Yay, the third crate. One thing that's funny is that it looks like as if it's like, no, do not let this flop up. That's funny, and then... Huh? Pretty flowers. Ducklings, oh! Ah. Big rocks, I thought those were sacks or something. Lizards. Like the lizards from the Magic School Bus. Just kidding, there's only one, and that's Lizzie. I think that's her name. Yeah. We sometimes watch them as, like, the Magic School Bus in school. Like, only for, like, science and stuff. Okay. And here's a lamp. Bah, bah. And then... a piggy. Oink, oink. They, like, make a noise. And then a horsey. Get my fingernail. Nay, nay. Okay, I'm sorry. I have such horrible animal noises. Okay, I'm not very good at them. Okay, here's my cow one. I really, really hate my cow one. Moo moo. Okay. Oh. And a little kitty cat. My fist is covering it. There we go. Look at that cute little kitty. My sister used to have a cat named Ashley and Mona. I think that was her name. Yep, there's a cute little kitty. Meow, meow. Okay, I'm sorry. A goat. What? Why doesn't have like, it doesn't have like one of those little sound effects? Oh well, I can try to do like a goat. Like that or something. Oh my gosh. The fourth crate. Yay. Mouse. Squeak, squeak. I'm sorry. And then cock-a-doodle-doo. Woof, woof. I'm not even going to bother doing any more stupid animal impressions. I mean, I love animals. It's just I hate doing impressions of them because I kind of stink at them, kind of. Okay. And, yep, this is the last page for this bookie. And, yep, close window, open window. Hello, hello there. Okay, clean, bleh, dirty. Big and small. Sad. Okay. Alone. Together. What? What the heck? Oh. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Okay. I stink at this. Okay. Empty. Full. Okay. And... oh. Wait. Okay. Lost. And found! Yay! Okay. On and off. That was me sometimes during field day when I had to take off my hat. Like a lot of times because we had to like splash water all over our heads. And then... oh, wait, okay. Asleep? Awake! That's me whenever I'm like asleep in bed. And then there's me whenever it's like later in the daytime. Like when I'm in a better mood, because I'm never in a good mood in the mornings, okay? Only during the weekends, because on the weekends you get to sleep in. So, yeah. Okay. And that was all for The Great Train Mystery. And surprisingly, this book wasn't made by Random House. This book was made by Fun Studios, just like Here Comes Thomas and Thomas Finds a Way, except I think this book is maybe a little bit more entertaining for young children, so they can like learn the differences to like up and down and stuff, ups and downs. Okay, and alone and together. Like here, let's say that Thomas is alone, and then, boom, his friends are here. So that means he's no longer alone. Oh, wait. Right here it says that it's $10. But this tag says that it costs $9. Oh my gosh, okay. That is so stinking weird. Yep, so I got this book at Walmart, as you can see. Right there. Walmart price. Yep, so I got this book at Walmart, and yeah, it has a lot of fun flaps. More flaps and busy Thomas. Oh yeah. And here's the spine. Yep. So that's all I want to say for The Great Train Mystery, which is my new Thomas book that I just got today. Like, when my mom and I were shopping at Walmart to get some more food. And I just couldn't resist to run to the book section really quick to see if they had anything new. That was, of course, Thomas related. And then I found this book. Yep. So goodbye, everybody, and have a great day. And peace out. And don't forget to let me know what you think of this book. So, yep. See you later!